Right now, we're seeing sentiment around artificial intelligence at -0.19, which is notably lower than the historical baseline. This suggests a growing skepticism in the conversation, despite momentum holding steady at +0.47. With 20 semantic clusters, the API captures diverse opinions, revealing underlying themes driving this dip. When you tap into our Sentiment API, it returns a comprehensive analysis of the sentiment landscape, giving you insights into public sentiment trends and key topics of discussion. Imagine integrating this into your product development cycle. You could use it to fine-tune your AI features based on real-time user sentiment, ensuring you're addressing the most pressing concerns in your updates. Ready to dive deeper? Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.